Russia is making significant strides in reshaping the global aviation industry with the opening of a state-of-the-art titanium factory, marking a strategic move toward industrial independence and technological innovation. This new facility, located in the Sverdlovsk region, is designed to bolster Russia's capabilities in the aerospace sector by ensuring a steady, high-quality domestic supply of titanium, a metal critical for building aircraft, spacecraft, and military components. Titanium is favored in aviation due to its high strength-to-weight ratio, corrosion resistance, and ability to withstand extreme temperatures. Traditionally, Russia has been one of the world's largest producers of titanium, mainly through Aviation, a company that has supplied major global aerospace firms, including Boeing and Airbus. However, with growing geopolitical tensions and sanctions in recent years, Russia has sought to reduce reliance on foreign partnerships and instead focus on self-reliant, vertically integrated production. The new factory represents a leap forward in this direction. Equipped with cutting-edge smelting and processing technologies, it can produce various titanium alloys tailored specifically for aircraft frames, jet engines, and next-generation drones. According to Russian officials, the facility is capable of producing hundreds of tons of titanium annually, which will support not just domestic demands but also exports to allied nations seeking alternatives to Western materials. One of the factory's most innovative features is its integration with digital monitoring and AI-driven quality control systems. These systems ensure the metal meets stringent aerospace standards, making it suitable for high-performance applications. Additionally, the plant's modular structure allows for rapid scalability, which means production can be quickly ramped up in response to increased demand or new military and civilian aerospace projects. This development is expected to play a central role in supporting Russia's future aviation plans. The country aims to revitalize its aircraft manufacturing sector with projects like the MC-21 mid-range airliner and the stealth fighter Su-75 checkmate. Both rely heavily on titanium components for improved performance and weight reduction. By securing a reliable titanium supply chain, Russia can lower production costs, shorten development timelines, and offer competitive alternatives in global markets. Beyond aviation, the factory also supports Russia's strategic goals in space exploration and defense. Titanium components are essential in rocket bodies, satellite frames, and hypersonic missile systems. The plant is expected to contribute to the country's long-term technological sovereignty, ensuring that critical infrastructure and military hardware are less affected by sanctions or supply disruptions. Internationally, this move may alter global titanium markets. With Russia focusing on local production and potentially reducing exports to Western nations, there could be a realignment of global supply chains. Emerging markets in Asia, the Middle East, and South America may become new customers for Russian titanium, further expanding its geopolitical influence. In conclusion, Russia's new titanium factory is more